Unlocking the magic of adjustment layers in photo editing. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of photo editing that can significantly elevate your projects: adjustment layers. Whether you're new to photo editing or looking to brush up on your skills, understanding how to use adjustment layers will change the way you edit your photos. Let's explore what adjustment layers are and how they can make your editing process both flexible and non-destructive. Adjustment layers are a powerful tool in photo editing software that allow you to apply color and tonal adjustments to your images without permanently changing the original photo. Think of them as transparent layers that sit above your image. You can modify them as much as you want, and the original image underneath remains untouched. This is what makes them non-destructive. You're not directly altering the pixels of your original image. There are several key benefits to using adjustment layers. Non-destructive editing. This means you can experiment with different looks without the fear of ruining your original image. Flexibility. You can adjust, turn off, or delete an adjustment layer at any stage of your editing process. Efficiency. Adjustment layers can be applied to multiple layers below them, making it easy to apply the same effect to several parts of your image or even different images. Control. They offer a high level of control over the intensity and application of adjustments through opacity and blending modes. There are various types of adjustment layers available, each serving a different purpose. Some of the most common include brightness, contrast, adjusts the lightness and darkness of the image. Levels, fine-tunes the intensity levels of the shadows, midtones, and highlights. Curves, offers precise control over the tonality and contrast of the image. Hue, saturation, alters the color hue, saturation, and lightness. Color balance, adjusts the color balance for shadows, midtones, and highlights to change the overall color mood. To use adjustment layers effectively. 1. Select the adjustment layer type you want from your editing software's menu. 2. Adjust the properties of the layer according to your needs. You can tweak these settings anytime. 3. Apply the adjustment layer to specific parts of your image by using a layer mask. This allows for targeted editing. 4. Experiment with different adjustment layers and settings to achieve your desired effect. Adjustment layers are an indispensable tool in the world of photo editing, offering unparalleled flexibility and control. By mastering their use, you can enhance your images in ways that are both creative and non-destructive. We hope this video has shed light on how to utilize adjustment layers effectively in your projects. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.